Protect your home from termites with the power of Termidor. Installed by Jets Pest Control, your local Termidor experts. Say goodbye to termites with Termidor, Australia's most trusted termite solution. At Jets Pest Control, we understand that your home is more than just a building. It's your sanctuary, your investment, the centre of your family's life. That's why we're proud to offer Termidor, the leading name in termite protection, to safeguard your home against the devastating effects of termites. Termites cause more damage to homes each year than fires, floods, or storms combined. Protecting your home with Termidor is not just a smart choice, it's essential. Here is why Termidor stands out. Unmatched effectiveness. Termidor is undetectable to termites, allowing them to ingest or come into contact with it unknowingly. It doesn't just repel termites, it eradicates them completely. Through the unique Genuine Termidor Transfer Effect, termites spread Termidor throughout the colony, ensuring the thorough elimination of the entire population. Long-lasting protection. With Termidor, you're not just getting immediate results, you're investing in long-term security. Termidor stays effective for years, providing continuous protection against future infestations. $2 million assurance warranty. When Termidor is installed by an accredited Termidor applicator like Jets Pest Control, your home is eligible for the exclusive Termidor Assurance Warranty. This warranty covers up to $2 million in structural damage caused by termites, providing you with peace of mind and financial protection against the devastating effects of termite infestations. QBCC Queenslander Home Warranty Insurance. We offer the QBCC Queenslander Home Warranty Insurance, providing even greater peace of mind. This insurance ensures that your home is covered in the unlikely event of any defects, reassuring you that your investment is secure. Why trust Jets Pest Control? We are your local accredited Termidor applicator based in Ipswich, and we service all surrounding areas including Brisbane, Logan and Redlands. Our team is highly trained and dedicated to providing personalised, eco-conscious pest control solutions that prioritise your family's safety and your home's integrity. We're not just a service provider, we're your neighbours and care about your home as much as you do. At Jets Pest Control, we provide expert installation. To be eligible for the Termidor Assurance Warranty, Termidor must be installed by a BASF accredited applicator who fully adheres to the strict guidelines. At Jets Pest Control, we ensure every installation meets these rigorous standards. Comprehensive service. We handle everything with care and precision, from the initial termite inspection to the final treatment. We provide a thorough assessment of your property, explain your options, and deliver a customized treatment plan tailored to your specific needs. Guaranteed satisfaction. We stand by the quality of our work. If you're not satisfied with our service, we'll come back and make it right. Guaranteed. Your satisfaction and peace of mind are our top priorities. Protect your biggest investment today. Don't wait until termites have caused costly damage to your home. Act now and secure your home's future with Termidor, installed by Jets Pest Control. Call us today on 1300 566 569 or visit our website to schedule your Termidor installation. Claim your $100 discount when you book a general pest control service and regular termite inspection together. And remember, only accredited Termidor applicators like Jets Pest Control can offer you the $2 million assurance warranty. Don't settle for less. Trust the experts to protect what matters most. Jets Pest Control, your trusted partner in termite protection. Visit www.jetspestcontrol.com today. QBCC 15254625.